up, guys? It's Friday night. We've got some parts in for the Rebel Flip project, so we gotta get this bike up on the lift and get started. So kids are in the bed, so I've got time to work. Alright, so I know this is a little different style video than what I normally do. Not really a tutorial, just kind of letting you tag along for it. But we've got the bike jacked up, we've got the wheel off the bike, so now we got to get this old tire off the wheel. And I kind of dread this part. Smaller wheels, the harder they are. I've done harder probably on the Bergman, but it's not going to be as easy as if you're doing it on the fronts or dirt bikes with larger rims, things like that. So anyway, let's get started. Okay, so I stopped the time-lapse footage because I was having such a hard time with this tire. It took me like 45 minutes just to get the second side of the tire over the rim. That was ridiculous. Anyway, moving on. I guess I'm gonna start another time-lapse with this after I explain, but just make sure you're putting your tire on in the right direction. I've already verified that, and this is taking way longer than I thought it would. Hardest tire change I've ever done. Hardest I've ever done. Dirt bikes, scooter, 12-inch rim. I mean, nothing. That was the hardest I've ever had getting a tire off the rim. Alright, that's it, guys. I'm beat for the night. I've been out here working on this for 2 hours. It's taking way too long. I'm just gonna put it all back together off, like not even worry about letting the camera roll, and may not even air this. But anyways, if I do air it, thanks for watching. And would you look at that? We're done. Feel like 3 hours. Longest tire change I've ever did. It's ridiculous. Maybe we'll ride it tomorrow.